Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. What we got here? Got a 10th gen Acuity shifter install. So I do not recommend this for you 11th gen guys on several reasons. But I wanted to get the info out there for everyone. Acuity is actually coming out with an 11th gen shifter, so I would just hold off, wait for those. The front holes don't line up. The rears are fine. Shifting, I still have to play with the cables a little bit. They don't fit perfectly in here, but I got them to work. But it's not 100% bolt-in. We're actually doing a staging brake for drag racing. So I'm going to be running a plate down here with the Wilwood staging brake. So this is all kind of coming back out. We're going to re-drill everything and get it set up. But yeah, it works. I've driven it. I think you guys will like it. Anyways, for the 11th gen one coming out, this is probably one of the top upgrades you can do on the car. It's just fantastic. But I wanted to show you guys here first. And I will probably do an updated video with the staging brake. I'm just waiting on the bottom plate to come in from Acuity since we ended up going with the tension. I was trying to do the RSX shifter in here. But the cables are completely different, so this is going to be the easiest way. Yes, it's an 11th gen, as you can see from the interior. So anyways, I hope you guys like bringing the content, what you can and can't do with the car. So like and subscribe, really appreciate it. Thanks again.